Hi, I'm Diane. I have scraped, scratched, and clawed my way out of many, many holes. And I'm sure that I can figure this one out as well. I thought retirement would be a time to relax and enjoy life. But this not making money every day, it's getting to me. I have been, trying to make money for, all of my life. It was on the forefront. Make as much money as you can every week so that you can take care of everything. It's my mindset. I'm having a really hard time with it. It has placed a psychological burden on me. I've always had to work to survive, and now I'm not working. What am I thinking? And I retired by choice, thinking I could figure it out and make it work. And I'm wondering why I did that. Why did you do that? Why didn't you maybe half retire? I know why. Because I'd already done that. I'd already cut down to 3 days a week the last year I worked. Yeah, I did. So I don't know. I need to know. Is this a thing? Does this happen to everybody who retires? And they go, oh my God, I'm not working. What are you doing? Don't you need to be working? I don't know. I know I'm a walking contradiction. I know that. I've made all of these lovely videos about things you need in retirement and how wonderful it's going to be, and I can't wait, and blah, 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 and there's going to be peace and all this, and I'm sorry. I'm just feeling a little anxious right now, a little uncertain about it all. I'm trying not to, but I can't help it. I'm just wondering if it's normal. Somebody needs to say, hey, this is normal. I've not heard anyone say that yet. I need to know it. Okay, my first month retired. And I made less on YouTube than I ever had. It's right under $300. That's $200 and something. That's not very much. Not that I'm totally depending on YouTube, but in a way I am. Because I don't need much. If I can just make that on YouTube, I'll be fine. But this month was not enough. I mean, it's scary to me. If it had happened maybe 5 months down the road, but it happened the first month I'm retired. Okay? What if I have to start using my money that I put back every month? Pretty soon that'll all be gone. You see what I'm saying? I don't mean to be a downer. I don't. I like to stay positive and be upbeat. But past few days have been kind of crazy for me. My excitement has kind of dwindled. Yay, I'm retired. I don't have to work. I'm a little under stress. It's not full-blown stress yet, but it could be. My dream of freedom, self-doubt is creeping back in. That's always been my main problem in life, is my self-doubt. I need to make another video on being self-confident, don't I? I don't know. I don't know. Just somebody answer me. Is this normal? Am I going to get through this? I'm going to continue my plan. I do have a plan. I'm going to continue my plan as I have it laid out and hope that tomorrow will be better. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to panic yet, although I'm close. Okay, I had a terrible week last week. It was stressful. It was technologically stressful. I'm sorry. I still don't understand why this world has to be so complicated. So complicated. Everything you start to do. Do you feel that way? Is it our age? Or I don't know. But it's complicated. Everything has to be so complicated. Anyway, I'm hoping that my stress level is at an all-time high because of the week I had last week and the fact that my house is a total wreck. My sunroom is and my bedroom and my bathroom are the only straight rooms in the house. I'm still going through my workroom, which is a disaster. All of my art stuff and everything that goes on the shelves in the new art room is in my kitchen. So I couldn't cook if I had to. So I'm eating out of the freezer. Thank God I've got stuff in there that I have prepared. All I got to do is warm it up. But I'm still so stressed out. I think I'll be fine if I can just get my art room ever set up and start painting again, because that brings me peace. Okay, guys. Don't start watching me because I'm complaining all the time. I will get through this. It's just been a bad few days. Okay, I'm going to let you go. Love's coming your way. Okay, guys, I do not want to show you this. But I just need to show you how my kitchen looks. It is horrible. It's driving me crazy. All of this is art stuff that goes in the art room. It's as organized as I can get it. But it's driving me crazy. Of course, this table and chairs will stay in here. It used to be in the sunroom. Now it's going to be in the kitchen. But do you see why I'm actually losing my mind? I know it's all going to work out in the wash. But I actually feel like I'm going crazy. Okay, see you later.